Hey guys, so I decided to bring you along with me as I try out this new facial. This is an aloe vera skin soothing face mask, and they sell these at Walmart. They're like 2 for $5, and so I decided I'd try them because I'm always interested in finding a new facial method. So let me tell you about this one. This is by Nature from New Zealand. This is not a sponsored video. I just thought I'd come to you and let you guys see, how it works, and that way you can decide if you want to go out and purchase some. So anyway, I bought a couple of them. The first one I used when we went to Atlanta for my birthday, and I didn't want to record that one, so I decided I'd save one to record. And that one worked really well. I did like that one. I think that was a charcoal. I did like it. So let's try this one. This one is Seaweed and Aloe Vera. It's a 10-minute skin clarifier. So it is a skin booster with natural sea kelp extract combined with the soothing care of aloe vera, and it's fragrance free, made in New Zealand, 99% natural ingredients, no animal testing. So let's see how it works. So what you want to do is cleanse and dry your face. Give your sachet a quick squeeze to evenly disperse the contents and tear open. Remove back and gently place the mask onto your face. Smoothen to ensure a nice close fit. Lay back, relax, and let the goodness condition your skin for the next 10 minutes. Discard mask. Clean the skin with warm water and pat dry. Alright, so let's get started. So I've already cleaned my face. And I'm getting ready to take a shower, so that's why I thought I'd go ahead and record this really quick. Oh, I was supposed to do something. Oops. So we'll give it a quick squeeze. I didn't do that. So we'll do the quick squeeze to evenly disperse the ingredients. Okay, and I had already opened it, so let's see what's in here. Ooh, it is dripping. I didn't expect that. Okay. I will say I liked the other better because number one, I'm having to manipulate this more than what I would think you want to before you put it on your face. So you have to prepare it, I guess. And place the mask onto your face, soothing to ensure. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out this little nose section here. Yeah, as far as ease of use, I would give it a 0. Because you have to, as you can tell, I have to manipulate it to get it right. Let's see. The other one, you just squeeze the contents onto your fingers and just rub it onto your face to make the mask. So I did like that process a little bit better. So here we go. Ooh, it's cold. It's really cold. I don't want to get this mess in my eye. have to make sure that they consider folks with large eyes like myself. So I'm not sure, but I guess I'm supposed to take this little thing off maybe. Doesn't really specify, but I'm guessing I would take that off. Okay. Well, this looks creepy. This would be a nice prank. It feels good though. I wear contacts, guys, so I don't play around my eyes too much with stuff. Because if you wear contacts, you know that the last thing you want to do is get stuff in your eyes. So, yeah. Alright, I guess this is it. This is crazy. Okay. Do I look scary? Give me a kiss. This is terrible. Do y'all like my face like this? Do you like my face like this? Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna throw this stuff away and clean up this little bit of mess here. Okay, let's go do a prank while I have my face like this. Okay, you're probably only gonna hear her because I'm gonna have to be quiet. Okay, here we go. Hello again. Okay, it has been 10 minutes and we're going to go ahead and remove this mask, and then I'm going to wash my hair in the shower. So I'll come back and show you guys what I do after I complete a facial. So I'll come back and show you guys what I do when I complete my facial, as far as what do I put on my face to help keep my face moisturized. All right, so I'll be back shortly. Let's go ahead and take this off. Okay, my face does look a little bright. Okay, we'll see. All right, I'll be back. Bye. So I have gotten out of the shower, put on my clothes as you can tell, and I use white washcloths for my face, and they're just for my face, no other reason. And I learned that from my mom. And so what I did was I just kind of put some cold water on my face, because the only thing I did in the shower was just rinse it. But of course that water would be a little warm. So I just rinsed it in the sink with some really cold water. And then we'll start the next step. So what I do next when I'm doing my face is I use this rose petals, rose water. And I don't have it in a spray bottle, which the next time I think I will, because I use this also for my lotions and all. So what I'm going to do is just take this rose water and just kind of apply it to my face. Okay. Okay. And there's nothing that comes off or anything. Okay. And so there's nothing dynamic about this process. You're just trying to refreshen your face. Rose water is supposed to help with your complexion. Even out your complexion. So next, what I'm going to do is, and I would have brought the jar, but this is what I do. I have these little containers and I put coconut oil in here, and this particular container is what I use to lotion my face. So this is my coconut oil, and that's what I use for lotion for my face. So I just grab a little bit, rub it in, and just apply it. And as you can tell, it puts a nice gloss on your face. And to prevent wrinkles and facial sagging, when you're applying lotion and things to your face, you want to kind of make sure you're not rubbing downward and all, because that'll cause facial drooping. Okay. All right, so that is this little thing here comes and goes. I'm not sure what it is. I think sometimes it's me not drinking enough water, but I'm not sure because I drink a lot of water and it comes and goes. So anywho, that's my face. Yeah. So I'll just go ahead and take my hair down. Okay, all done.